Back to my channel. Today we're gonna review Cafe Gogosan. I'm going to check it out with my wife and my family. Going to have lunch here. Lunch with family. Jordan has started munching before we can even start. Look at her. No. This is the first side dish, so we are waiting. First, we have the side dish here. Struggling. The mother already enjoying herself while talking to my sister from Addis Ababa. So, yep. MJ, she just tore off her mask. It's made from, you have garlic, you get the taste of garlic
bread. Beranya. Nih, ani. Let me put water. Okay. Just don't tray there. Drink.
More of the side dishes popping in. My wife told me this place is very cheap, so 네, 감사합니다. Oh, yummy. Is that what's that nice sticker on the bread?
Sticker.
By the side.
Yes, the logo of this.
Look at her.
Ani. Yes.
They come woman. So a chair, we just got a chair for her.
Bedanya. Joe? Huh? What is this thing? She's looking at people now.
Tell Yvette to say hi to my channel. Hello. Subscribe to my channel.
How many?
This is what I ordered for. It just came in steak. So we just want to try. I've never seen steak this small. Jordan telling bye to her aunts. Called her. So nice.
Feed the body that work the money.
Steak.
Mira. John is tired.
Wow.